Okay, so a 12 kilogram cart moving at 4 meters per second approaches a ramp. At what height does the cart come to a stop? Okay, so here we go. First thing we need to do, let's write down what we got. Mass equals 12 kilograms. Velocity equals 4 meters per second. And we know, of course, gravity equals 9.8 meters per second squared. Awesome. And I think that's everything. Okay, so this one is not as bad as it looks. Okay, so just remember conservation of energy means initial kinetic energy should equal your potential energy, right? So let's find the kinetic energy. That's what we have. So kinetic energy equals 1/2 times mass, times velocity squared. So 1/2 times mass times velocity squared, right? So kinetic energy equals 1/2. What's the mass? 12 kilograms. What's our velocity? Our velocity is 4. Awesome. And then our velocity needs to be squared. Cool. So let's break this down into extra steps. So we square this, so it's going to be 16 times 12 times 1/2. This is going to be 6 times 16, right? See what we did? We did this squared, 16. We did this times this. Well, we did that here. 12 times half equals 6. So 6 times 16 equals 60. 60 plus 36, 96. So kinetic energy equals 96 joules, right? Which equals our potential energy in the end, right? So we know that our potential energy formula is what? Mass times gravity times height. We know, what are we trying to find? The height at which it's come to a stop. So we know we're probably not going to have this. So we know our potential energy equals mass. What are our mass? 12 times gravity, 9.8 times height. We actually know our potential energy. It's right here because our conservation of energy, right? So 96 equals 12 times 9.8. There we go. Times height. So 96 equals 117.6, something like that. If you want to, you can round it. Times height. We know we have to divide this out on the right side, divide it out on the left side. So height, let's flip it. I like variables to be on the left. Equals 96 divided by 117.6, which is 0.82 meters. Right? If you want to put 0.82, you can. I don't like to because it doesn't matter. But there you go. That question is solved. Hopefully everybody got it. Let's rock and roll.